Ahlan Ahlan Wasalan, Assalamualaikum, Scheiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Was ist los, jeder? Und heute habe ich eine Model-Kit oder Kunststoffmodell auf dem Anime Nirvash oder Eureka 7, and this is none other than the Nirvash Type 0. So Nirvash Type 0 is one of the protagonist model or mecha model from the anime Eureka 7. And this Eureka 7 is an anime which was released by Wang's Studio in the year 2005. And as I remember, there are three video game also that accompanies this anime, and two of that video game by Bandai is was set to be prior to the anime. So two of that video game is set prior to the anime, and the other video game is between the seasons of the Eureka 7 anime. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside this skateboarder model kit. So fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows the Nirvash Type 0 on its skateboard or the surfboard. That's what I want to tell. Previously, it should be surfboard. And there's this green aura emitting from its surfboard. And yep, it's from Moderoid Good Smile Company for the anime Project Eureka or Eureka 7, which was published or shown on 2005. And there, on the side of the box, we can see Nirvash Type 0 and another Nirvash Type 0. On the back of the box, we can see the front view, the rear view, and the surfboard posts, and it can transform into a vehicle there. And this is what I like. The Nirvash Type 0 kit can kneel and it can hold the skateboard, which is very nice, nicely looking pose. It's in Tagalog, it's maangas tingnan. And there it can wield some blades or boomerang there while riding on its surfboard. And we got the surfboard stand there also. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual along with these big stickers, bullshit stickers. To be honest, I thought that the surfboard will come with a pre-painted design, but I was wrong because we need to apply this big chunk of stickers. Anyway, let's check the parts first. We got the action base stand here along with this pre-painted canopy windows here for the two pilot figures. We got the white parts here with pre-painted green design there, and we got the pre-painted red there. Then we got some pre-painted red white parts here. I don't know if this is for the legs and arms. Then we got some interchangeable hand parts here with ball joints, and I'm very happy that these are ball joints. I can replace it with Dallin hands. Then we got some gray parts here for the inner frame, I think. Then another white parts for the skateboard, and I can see some closing hands there, like this, pose like this here. And there's this I think this is for the spoiler. Then we got some gold, or yep, it looks gold parts here for the inner frame. We got some black parts for the wheels. So there's this wheel for the transformation, and gray parts with gray with the red pre-painted design there. Then we got the surfboard. This is the surfboard for the kit. And okay, I will just try to apply the stickers, although some might advise that they can paint it, but I don't like painting kits. But maybe I can apply the stickers for this. Then we got some red parts here for I don't know, this is for the detailing parts. And there the canopy, the red opaque version of the canopy. Then we got some another runner with pre-painted parts here with green and red there. And we got some black chunky parts for the canopy. And finally we got this gold, I think this is a mossy green colored joint parts. And pilot figures. It's my first time to see a pilot figure for the Moderoid. And this pilot figures looks like your Gundam pilots in 1/100 scale. So it's very nice. And there we have these white parts for the spoilers. Then we got this part here with bubble wraps, and this is for your white parts for the hands, the face of the kit. So the face is pre-painted, which is very nice. It has green eyes and white black background. And there we got some canopy chunky part here. So we get this instruction for transforming the kit, and this is the manual for that. It is separated from the assembly manual, and I'm very happy that most parts of this are not that interchangeable. But honestly, I hate transforming kits because it will wear down the joints for the plastic model. So if I'm going to make a review of this kit, I will not do the transformation sequence. To be honest, I really don't like to do that, to avoid damaging the joints. And there we can see the assembly manual. We can see the front view and back view of the kit. And I'm very happy to see Moderoid putting pilot figures now for this kit, and I hope it will go with the other kits. And it feels like this is a Gundam kit because of these pilot figures. Very nice. And there we can see the assembly instructions. You can see the colored printout for this kit, or for this manual, which is very nice. And judging the appearance of this manual, for this kit. It doesn't look that complicated to build. I think I can finish this within 2 hours. And there you can see the finished product. Maybe this will be the challenge for me if I am going to apply this stickers, even though it is big and chunky. I hope I cannot apply air bubbles inside this kind of sticker. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got this goldish colored runner here for runner H. These are for the detailing parts. We got this wheel parts here for runner J, and we got red parts for runner G. This is the opaque canopy, and we got some gray color parts here with this red pre-painted part there for runner F. We got 2 sets of runner B, and there's this green pre-painted portion there and red pre-painted portion there on these white parts. Then we got this runner A for the canopy parts, and for the hands also. The face has this green paint for the eyes and black for the eye background. We got pilot figures of pilots, and this is what makes this kit like a Gundam model kit for me. Black colored runners for the canopy parts, and I don't know this one, I think it's for the feet. And runner B for black colored parts. Then we got runner C for the hand parts. Then runner I for this olive green colored joint parts. Then runner L for this spoiler parts and this closed hand here, like a hugging hand, something like that. And this is for the spoiler part here and for the surfboard. So we have this chunky parts for the surfboard. Then we got this clear colored plastic here for the action base stand, and for the canopy here, the open window canopy. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Nirvash Type 0 from the anime Eureka 7, which was made by Good Smile Company Moderoid model kits. Goodbye, God bless, and take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat. Paalam.